Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to blur video in Canva. So let's get started. At first let's get into Canva app. So here it is. Now click on this plus icon over here and let's choose any format. Let's go for Instagram Reel for now. Now you can choose any of this template or upload any of your videos as well. For now, let's go for this one. Now I need to blur the face here. So let's tap on this plus sign over here. Now click on elements and search for blur. We can see various blur options here. So let's go for this one. And we can see the face is blurred. You can move this as well. So now if we play this, the whole video, the face will be blurred. So this is it. This is how we can blur video in Canva. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.